Okay. Okay mga idol. Halika mga idol. Sibo, sibo rin. Mga idol.
Hello.
Hello guys. Thank you for coming back to our channel.
Woo! The trees, so nice.
I've already shown all that. As you can see, the sun is now setting. This tide has gone out. So there's such beautiful scenery. Honestly, like I said, these are little, hello, cottages around here, and lovely coconut trees all the way around. But I have just got a bit of disclaimer in now. My channel is all about me and my daughter, right? But because of our government law, the Labour law, I can now not show my daughter in my videos, which it goes against everything that I set this channel up for. So I would just put it into this video right now, that I'm not very happy about that. That's not fair, in all fairness, because this channel is about me and my daughter, and it's called DaddyTravels. So I'll just keep my foot on a big rock at her. But yeah, no, that's really annoying. So if you don't ever see Crystal on the channel but you hear her in the background, you know why now. And we are at Balbawan Beach. We had to get a small boat from all the way over there to get here. There's a lovely white sand beach again on the channel. So welcome back guys to the DaddyTravels page and channel on YouTube. So it took us nearly, I don't know, 2 hours from Azama City where we stay to get to this island right here, and then we have to go past Oqueta City. Hello. And then Oqueta City. So we had to get to a platform and get a little boat to this beach. It's about, I don't know, they say it's 100 pesos per person, so I don't think we pay for the kids. So it's about 400 pesos for 4 of us to get to the shore here. But it's very, very rocky, as you can see. Look, I'll zoom in a little bit. So there's all rocks, so many rocks, like all the way here. We tried to go out there to sit down, but our feet hurt a lot, so because the tide has gone in. Unfortunately we came at that time, but it's still such a lovely relaxing beach. So yeah, look, if you can just see, we've got lots and lots of coconut trees behind us. I'm gonna have to zoom out. Lots and lots of coconut trees. It's like a holiday resort also, so you can spend the night here. I think for as little as 6,000 pesos, and then you stay overnight and then enjoy the beach and the sunrise in the morning. I don't think we're going to be doing that today ourselves. I wish we could, but maybe next time. So that'll be another video for me to be able to show you on the channel, to be able to stay in the little huts here. So I think it's about, I don't know, 200-300 pesos for a cottage, or you can just sit on one of these little tables and have your lunch for free. So which we done. In the other place we got a cottage. But yeah guys, you should honestly come out to the Philippines, to Mindanao, and try all of these white sand beaches. You do have to travel a little bit far for them, but it's worth it, because all the other sandy, all the other beaches are all like, you know, brown sand or mud or whatever. So it's nice to come out to these little islands. This is a Balbawan beach, or Balbawan Island. So if you want to search it up on Google, then I'll have the little spelling down here somewhere. But also please like and subscribe, and we would much appreciate all your help for our channel, and we will show you more and more as time goes along. So just for now guys, I'll let you just go and then I'll cut to the next scene. Thank you. This is the boat that we have to get. As you can see over there is the sunset in the Philippines. Yeah, this is the kind of boat you have to get to the islands. 400 pesos. 6 people. And behind me there is the docking station. That's what we need. A really fast boat compared to this one. But yeah.